In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to show your files in grid view right here in Google Sheets. If you're trying to organize your files within Google Sheets, here's how you can see your files in grid view. So right now I have this spreadsheet open, and if I wanted to go to my Sheets home to view or to see all of my files, what I can do from this page right here is to just click on this one. There you go. So that's your Google Sheets icon at the top left corner. If you click on it, it will show you your Sheets homepage. You can also open this by going to your Google Drive. Here is mine. And if I go to the Google Apps right here at the top right corner, click on that. Go to this part right here where you will see Sheets. Click on it, and it will again bring you to the same homepage or Sheets homepage. Now, once you're on your Sheets homepage, you'll be able to see all of the files that you've created within your Google account. Right now, I have this in list view. So if I wanted to have a preview of what those sheets look like so that I would know which ones to actually delete, especially if I have duplicates, would be to have these files in grid view. So to do that, what we're going to do is to actually click on this one right here, and it's actually your grid view. So if you click on that, it would quickly turn your files into these ones right here. So they're definitely a bit better to distinguish if they were on this view instead of your list view where you just see the names, dates, and all that. So with your grid view, you're able to have a preview of what is inside those spreadsheets or those files, and you'll easily be able to tell which ones are duplicates, which ones you want to delete, or the ones that you want to move to another folder. And there you have it. So again, if you were on list view, that's going to be with this one right here. And if you want to quickly go to your grid view, just click on the same icon right there. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can show your files in grid view right here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.